All right, I'm just going to turn it on. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let us know when it's on.
You'll see it. You'll see from his reaction. I'm pressing the button now.
Okay, Laura.
Hi, Luke. Hi, buddy. Hi. I love you.
I turned it on.
They turned it on. What do you hear?
No.
Do you hear something?
What happened to turn it off?
You wanted to turn it off or you want to turn it on? Do you like it? You want to practice the alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
H.
What's that?
What is that? What is it?
Gumbo.
Will you show me where W is? Where's W?
He's getting a lot of volume now. Like it's still.
You can hear it. It's working.
Can you hear Mommy? Can you hear Mommy?
Yeah.
So it's probably really
One
hard.
more.
Want to play
More
the game
game?
again? Can you hear it?
You're already done with the Cochlear? On to the game now.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
okay.
it's too much.
One.
Did you look at that?
Is it hurting?
Turned it down.
It's okay. It's good.
And
I'll help you. You're listening. You're listening. Oh, it fell off the ear. That's what was happening because you're sitting on the
Oh,
wire.
he was telling you. Oh, what is
Oh, he's standing on the wire.
There you go. Now it's back on.
I turned it down. I'm going to turn it back to where it was. This is really good for day one. Does he look uncomfortable? I can't see his facial
Yeah.
expression.
Do you want to look at Valerie? Can you show Valerie?
Hi. He can't hear. He's.
Wow.
Hi. Good job. You're a star. You're doing amazing. Such a good boy. He's okay. So he's not getting a whole lot. Like usually if he had his hearing aid in and you talk to him, he would respond.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So this is all very normal what we're seeing. We saw that he was hearing from it, but who knows what it sounds like.
Oh, yeah. It didn't sound like he was capturing any.
Usually older patients who had
one.
hearing loss but then gradually progressed into the cochlear implant range, when they get switched on, they'll say they just hear beeps. When, like the sound of the ventilation, they say it just sounds like beeps. Some of them, not all of them.
And that
will
just
say
changes over time.
To
One.
sound like it should, right? They'll say, oh, that sounds like the fan, right?
How long did that take?
And it's different for everyone. The younger you are, the better, because there's more plasticity going on in the brain, right? Also, if he's had a hearing aid before, it usually helps. It all has to do with the amount of experience he's had with sound. So yeah, it's hard to tell. He looks comfortable.